Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Isasama namin kayo sa first day of our married life. Wala kaming bonggang gala today, kundi laba day. Actually, second time namin gawin ito ng aking partner. So, exciting na din na magkaroon kami ng simpleng gawain tulad nitong laundry. So, ang gusto ko dito sa laundry shop is self-service siya. Super easy lang gamitin. So, nilagay ko yung mga damit diyan lahat. Hindi ko na sinort kasi wala naman diyang masyadong sensitive na damit. So, ayan na. Pipili ka lang ng washing program, magbabayad, then automatic na yung machine ang bahala sa lahat. Habang nag-aantay, ayan, binibilang ko muna yung pera namin. $8.50 yan for, I think, 25 minutes washing time. Ayan, mali yung pinagpasok ko dun sa barya. Para lang siyang piso net, ayan. So, $8.50, worth it naman siya kasi nga mada-dry talaga siya. You don't need to hang it outside your home. So, ayan, lagay-lagay muna tayo ng mga coins, parang naglalaro lang kami diyan. Mali pa ata yung pinaglagay ko. Pero anyway, habang nag-aantay, habang nagsa-cycle yung washing, nag-relax muna kami at nagkuwentuhan ng aking partner. Ayan, ini-start niya na 'yan. Okay, so that is warm, then start. Okay, ayan na. In that video naman, oh, 'di ba, ayan, nag-fold ako at saka nag-organize ng aming damit sa loob ng cabinet. After nung organizing, cleaning ng aming refrigerator kasi tinignan ko kung ano yung mga expired na pagkain diyan. Ayan, tignan mo, nilinis ko 'yan. Para make sure na healthy yung mga kinakain namin at malinis yung refrigerator. So, linis-linis muna and then after that then, naglinis din kami ng aming oven. Ayan, nilagyan namin ng baking soda tsaka vinegar para matanggal yung ibang rust, para make sure na walang bacteria inside the oven. Kasi ang aking partner, he loves cookies and we want to make sure na, uh, we are careful with the sugar intake we can have in our meal. Hello, dinner time. So, for dinner of our first day of married life, bumili muna kami ng pagkain sa labas. Andiyan siyempre hindi mawawala ang white rice. At saka kanina meron yung egg soup, yung nasa bowl. Masarap siya, simple lang. More on Chinese food. That is a beef curry. Sakto lang, masarap naman. And then, ayan, sinubo ko na diyan yung rice. And I just want to to share na ito, hindi din madaling magkarelasyon sa isang foreigner. Kasi you need patience, understanding, at dapat communication yan. Napaka-importante ang communication. At maging understanding at patience talaga. Okay, andiyan na yung broccoli. Masarap yung broccoli na yan. So yummy. Hold on. See what's inside the cracker. This is interesting. I like this cracker.
Fortune cookie.
It's called fortune cookie. Huh? Come on, let's see what's inside my fortune. Look at this. Okay, this is my fortune cookie. Let me read. You will find ways to have more fun this month. Ooh, more fun after marriage? I don't think so. Joking. Okay, I will collect this. This is the first fortune cookie while married, Emily. What about you? What did you get?
Excitement comes to those who stay curious.
Yeah, that's for him. He's a very curious person.
Yeah. Hold on, no. Oh.
Yeah, we will collect also. That's all. Thank you.